Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now today we're going to be doing a collaboration episode for We Cook with Coffee. Where as you may have guessed, we have to cook with coffee. And to do my part, I decided to take two signature desserts and combine them into one, adding a little bit of science in the mix, and I think I came up with a product that I think you guys are really going to think is pretty cool. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by making a Japanese style coffee jelly. Now I'm going to combine that with what they call Agar Agar. Now if you've never heard of Agar Agar before, it's a gelatin basically, and what the nice thing about it is when it sets, it becomes relatively heat resistant. And now because it's heat resistant, what I can do is when the gelatin actually sets, I can dust the top of it with sugar, hit it with a blowtorch, and give it a caramel crust. And essentially what we're going to have is we're going to have an unmolded coffee creme brulee. No ramekins required. How cool is that? And for those of you trying this at home, definitely watch your Agar Agar content, because if you add too much, your gelatin will definitely set way too stiff and you'll end up with like a mocha caramel coffee hockey puck. A delicious mocha caramel coffee hockey puck. Alright, well I'm sure 50% of you guys came to see me yap away in front of the camera. I'm sure the other 50% came to see a dessert. So let's do it. And there it is, a Japanese style caramel mocha coffee unmolded creme brulee. Try saying that 10 times fast. Alright, just want to give a quick shout out to Chef John at work. Good call on the Japanese style coffee jelly. And finally, I'd like to give a big thank you to everybody involved at We Cook with Coffee, especially Cooking with CJ and Just 88. Thank you for inviting me to do this. I really enjoyed coming up with a unique coffee recipe. It was a lot of fun. I look forward to doing more in the future. And I'll see all you guys next week, probably. We're going to be making something pretty awesome and possibly doing a giveaway. I'll see you then.